the screen. Use dust removal sticker 3 to stick up the dust. Put the alignment frame onto the front of phone. Tear off protective layer. Slowly drop the screen protector along the frame. Press and slide the screen to remove the bubble automatically. Open the bag of accessories. Use wet cleaning wipes 1 to clean the lens. Use microfiber cloth to dry the lens.